Why didn't you just stay at the home? Wait till she came there and killed her.
Then I wouldn't have been here on time.
Love is about sacrifice. It's about putting someone else's needs and happiness before your own.
You gave up your revenge for me?
Little ghost, you're listening.
I know you.
Unlike most, you don't miss a thing.
Something else brought you here.
See the truth.
You're still in there.
I walk the halls invisibly. I climb the walls, no one sees me. No
You're
one
handsome
but you.
and clever.
You don't need me, Edward Nygma. Just as I need you.
And someday you will be a great man.
I
felt like there was someone inside of me.
I want to be heard.
I see the other you. No one else saw that. Except Penguin.
One whose name I wouldn't speak.
Except Oswald. Call me the Riddler. No. I'm saying no. Please. I need you. Wait. There was no me.
You cannot have one without the other.
Without him.
I admit
that killing you killed a part of me.
You loved him, and he betrayed you.
One cannot deny because I love you. Life only gives you one true love, Oswald. Find it. Run to me. I continue to be in awe of you, Oswald. I hope you know, Oswald. I would be lost without you. I would do anything for you.
Just admit that you are lost without me or you will destroy everything.
You can always count on me.
Falcone tried to get him to turn on you.
So you'd rather die than give up the man who tried to kill you?
I would.
He endured a tremendous amount of pain. You would give you up.
Isn't that crazy?
I want you to know that our friendship meant something to me. I cared about you. And I miss you.
You've always loved a strange bird.
This one.
I want to fly into your world. I want to be heard.
Do you know how rare that is?
My wounded
Trust is so very hard to find in Gotham.
You've always loved the stranger
But I trust you.
inside.
Because you love him
Me ugly pretty.
You're in love with him.